Do you see what I see? It's the first morning glory of the season. Look at that. I got them intertwined with the trombone squash up on this trellis here. And it looks like we're gonna have to harvest several more of these trombone squash because they just keep producing. Got one there. I've got one down here. Look at that thing. Huge. It's huge, I tell you. That one's not quite ready. Look at that. Prolific. Garden's doing really good. Really good. We just had a big rain. Still no cucumbers. Got a late start with the cucumbers. Green beans are doing good. But we've got over in the in-ground garden, we've got several more trombone squash that needs to be harvested. Here's one. Here's one right here. Look at that thing. Oh, they go for days. I've got that on this trellis right here. I'm gonna have to harvest him. A trellis right there. I got another one coming up on that side. That might be a butternut. No, I think it's a trombone. That's slow over there. I'm gonna have to harvest this trombone squash to put more energy into the vine here. I need him to get up and over, fill out this trellis. Pumpkins are doing good. There's a couple more big trombone squash back here. There's another one. They're just massive. And I've got a really big one. Really big one back there. I don't know if you see that guy, but he's just hiding out under cover. And the big State Fair winter pumpkin that I've been growing, he had the squash vine borer a while back, and I dug the squash vine borers out and packed more dirt around it and buried some of the vine. He hasn't produced any pumpkins yet. He produced one that didn't take up in there, but I do see that there is one more pumpkin coming on right there. So hopefully, oh, what do we got back there? Is there another pumpkin back there? Oh yeah. All right, so grandkids are gonna have pumpkins, so that's good. A couple of sunflowers. Anyways, looks like I need to harvest more trombone squash. What is that? 4 or 5 that I need to harvest. Boy, I'm gonna have to freeze them. Oh, look at this guy. I think that's how it gets its name, trombone squash. Look what it does. Nice. I need to make maybe a, I don't know, come up with a saxophone squash or a French horn squash. All right, little silly humor. Anyways, I better get harvesting. All right.